Hi friends, welcome back to Desk. Daily use English sentences, English speaking practice. Let's start. खाली हाथ ना जाए. Don't go empty handed. Don't go empty handed. खुद पर ध्यान दो. Pay attention to yourself. Pay attention to yourself. खुद पर नियंत्रण रखो. Control yourself. Control yourself. गर्मियाँ शुरू होने वाली हैं. Summers are about to start. Summers are about to start. गाड़ी से उतर जाओ. Get off the car. Get off the car. गुस्सा थूक दो. Spit away the anger. Spit away the anger. चिंता मत करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. चिल्लाओ मत. Don't shout. Don't shout. छिपाओ मत. Don't hide. Don't hide. जल्दी से नीचे आ जाओ. Come down quickly. Come down quickly. जाकर वहीं खड़े हो जाओ. Go and stand there. Go and stand there. जैसे मुझे बड़ी परवाह है. As if I care. As if I care. जबान संभाल के. Mind your language. Mind your language. जरूर कोई बात है. It's definitely something. It's definitely something. जो बोलना है बोलो. Say whatever you want to say. Say whatever you want to say. जोर से बोलो. Speak loud. Speak aloud. ठीक से करो. Do properly. Do properly. तमीज से बात करो. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. तुम इसी के लायक हो. You deserve this only. You deserve this only. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? तुम कितने बजे उठते हो? At what time do you get up? At what time do you get up? तुम कितने बजे सोते हो? At what time do you go to bed? At what time do you go to bed? धूप सेक लो. Bask in the sun. Bask in the sun. बारिश हो रही है. It's raining. It's raining. मैं समझना चाहूँगा. I would like to understand. I would like to understand. मैं देखना चाहूँगा. I would like to see. I would like to see. मैं जानना चाहता हूँ. I want to know. I want to know. क्या तुम आ रहे हो? Are you coming? Are you coming? तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? मैं मिलना चाहता हूँ. I want to meet. I want to meet. समय समाप्त हुआ. Time is up. Time is up. जरा साइड में हो जाओ. Please move aside. Please move aside. मेरे पास समय नहीं है. I don't have time. I don't have time. आप कहाँ से हैं? आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from? आप कहाँ पर हैं? Where are you? Where are you? मैं घर पर हूँ। मैं घर पर हूँ। I am at home. I am at home. मेरी बात सुनो। Listen to me. Listen to me. मुझसे बात करो। Talk to me. Talk to me. यहाँ ध्यान दो। यहाँ ध्यान दो। Pay attention here. Pay attention here. मेरी तरफ देखो। मेरी तरफ देखो। Look at me. Look at me. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? सब ठीक है। Everything is fine. Everything is fine. विश्वास रखो। Have faith. Have faith. ठीक से बात करो। Talk properly. Talk properly. लगे रहो। लगे रहो। Carry on. Carry on. हाथ धो लो। Wash your hands. Wash your hands. जल्दी आना। जल्दी आना। Come soon. Come soon. यहाँ आओ। यहाँ आओ। Come here. Come here. वहाँ जाओ। वहाँ जाओ। Go there. Go there. ध्यान से जाना। Go carefully. Go carefully. खड़े हो जाओ। Stand up. Stand up. बैठ जाओ। Sit down. Sit down. चलो चलते हैं। Let's go. Let's go. समय पर आना। समय पर आना। Be on time. Be on time. जिद मत करो। Don't insist. Don't insist. पकड़ो इसको। Hold this. Hold this. सावधान रहो। Be careful. Be careful. धीरे चलो। Walk slowly. Walk slowly. जरा रुको। Just wait. Just wait. इसे अभी करो। इसे अभी करो। Do it right now. Do it right now. इसे फिर से करो। Do it again. Do it again. इसे दोबारा मत करना। इसे दोबारा मत करना। Don't do it again. Don't do it again. मेरे पास 2 कार हैं। मेरे पास 2 कार हैं। I have 2 cars. I have 2 cars. मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं। I have 2 children. I have 2 children. मेरा इंतज़ार करना। Wait for me. Wait for me. मैं इंतज़ार नहीं कर सकता। I can't wait. I can't wait. उसके लिए इंतज़ार करो। Wait for him. Wait for him. मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है। मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है। I need it. I need it. क्या तुम्हें इसकी ज़रूरत है? Do you need it? Do you need it? तुम्हें जाने की ज़रूरत है। You need to go. You need to go. वह आ रहा है। He is coming. He is coming. वह जा रहा है। He is going. He is going. क्या तुम आ सकते हो? क्या तुम आ सकते हो? Can you come? Can you come? यह मेरा फर्ज है। यह मेरा फर्ज है। It is my duty. It is my duty. मैं अभी गया हूँ। I am gone now. I am gone now. मुझसे मिलो। Meet me. Meet me. मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ। मैं आपसे मिलना चाहता हूँ। I want to meet you. I want to meet you. मुझे वहाँ मिलना है। I want to meet you there. I want to meet you there. मुझे टीवी देखना पसंद है। मुझे टीवी देखना पसंद है। I like watching TV. I like watching TV. क्या तुम टीवी देखते हो? क्या तुम टीवी देखते हो? Do you watch TV? Do you watch TV? तैयार हो जाओ। Get ready. Get ready. समझने की कोशिश करो। समझने की कोशिश करो। Try to understand. Try to understand. सच बोलो। सच बोलो। Speak the truth. Speak the truth. मैं सच कह रहा हूँ। I am telling the truth. I am telling the truth. बहुत दिनों से दिखे नहीं। Long time no see. Long time no see. मैंने एक फैसला लिया है। I have made a decision. I have made a decision. यहाँ कैसे आना हुआ? यहाँ कैसे आना हुआ? How did you come here? How did you come here? मैं आसपास था। मैं आसपास था। I was around. I was around. अपना मूड ठीक करो. Set your mood. Set your mood. लाइट चली गई. लाइट चली गई. There is a power cut. There is a power cut. पंखा चला दो. Turn on the fan. Turn on the fan. पंखा बंद कर दो. Switch off the fan. Switch off the fan. तुम्हारे पास क्या है? तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? तुमने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do?